Hello guys, thank you for jumping onto this video. So here is how to create a puzzle transition on Inshot app. Add clips to your timeline. Hold down the clip and double tap on the second clip. Then take a screenshot. Do the same to the last clip. Take a screenshot. Now go to photo editing and remove the background of the photos. Clean the unwanted parts and save it. Go back to your video timeline. Of the first clip, tap PIP and import the photo. Tap full screen, align it. Add keyframes at the end, another keyframe at the beginning, and drag it down. Delete the excess parts. Now preview it. Do the same process again. Import the photo. Tap full screen and use keyframes to create the puzzle transition. Delete the excess parts. Add keyframes at the end, another keyframe at the beginning. Now preview it. Thank you so much for watching, and much love I got for you. Peace.